So tonight it's Tomica time, and we are gonna check out this Tomica TEM or Tomica event model Porsche 911 S racing car. So this is number 5 of a lot of cars from their Tomica event model series. So check out the box first. This is not a mint box. So Tommy Asia Limited came from Hong Kong. Okay, number 5 here, Porsche 911, and we're about to check this one out. Still comes with the plastic pack here. Now for Tomica collectors who want to keep their cars inside the boxes here, I suggest you remove this thing, this plastic here, and just let the car sit out in here without the plastic, because the plastic is known to cause paint bubbles in cars. Now even though this plastic here has these tiny holes right there, yeah, but especially in here in humid areas, it still accumulates moisture. So that's why it is suggested to just place the cars inside the box without the plastic, or better yet, display your cars. And moving on, enough of that gibberish right there. So this is the Porsche 911 S racing car from the Tomica event model cars, part of the Tomica event model cars, I should say. And it is a beautiful car here, white, but this one is a smaller scale, I believe. Let's see the scale here, 161 scale, so slightly smaller scale than the 164 cars. Now Tomica has these weird scales on their cars because their goal is to fit the car inside the box. So that's their goal. They don't do exclusively 164 scale cars. And yeah, this one has opening features. So Tomica, please, in your new cars, I've seen already the new Supra, 2020 GTR, Skyline, the Honda CRV. They all don't have opening features. Now you are known to have opening features in your old cars, in your older release. So please continue on with that feature. Why stop making cars with opening features? So here it is, opening feature. The door opens, pretty cool. It has suspension. The rims here are the stock looking rims, which some of you don't like, but I don't mind them. So they look like Steelies in real life. So the front here, the headlights are just painted silver. We got these stripes from the hood going to the roof here, and of course the Porsche logo right there. Pretty cool detail. At the back, painted the tail lights and the Porsche logo right there too. The bumper is painted together with the yeah, this is the bumper, so it is painted. I wish they made the this part opening so that you can see the engine. So front bumper is painted too. No details on the fog lights. So that is all for this pretty cool looking Porsche 911 from Tomica, part of their Tomica event model cars. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Hope to see you soon, guys. More videos to come, so stay tuned. Bye bye, guys. See you soon. Peace out. enjoy the rest of the day. Yeah, together with the what is brand? Burago. So again, thank you. Bye bye, guys. Peace out.